Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to uninstall system updates on Android. So if you have a like a bug, or after you updates your phone a often crash or freezing, you can try to revert, or you can try to uninstall the latest update on your Android system. So the first thing to do, you can try to go to the settings, and you can try to search the application list. On my phone there is app management. You can tap it, and here we go. This is app list. You can tap it, and in this app list, this is the complete list application APK that installed on my Android devices. So in order to uninstall the systems updates, you can tap three dots at the top of your screen and tap on show system. Here we go. This is the system software or system application that show up on your Android app list. And here we go. This is Android system web view, for example. And if you tap three dots, you can uninstall the updates. So just simply tap on uninstall updates. Now you can revert into the previous version of Android system web view. Also, there is Android system only system, not the web view. You can try to disable or force stop to prevent the updates. And also you can scroll down and you can try to find software update. Here we go. This is the software update. Here again you can try to force stop and disable on both software update. Don't forget to clear the cache in the storage. Feel free to try. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.